guys, this is Aparna Shah. I hope you're enjoying the content that I'm creating. For those who are new, welcome. And for all those who've been connected with me on my channel, love you so much. So every time you are looking at starting your skincare, there are certain things that you should understand. Just the way your body, when you feel extremely hot, your body needs a lot of chillers. And when you're feeling cold, then you need a cup of warm hot chocolate or coffee. Just the same way, whether depending on your skin type or your different kind of weather that you're staying in or the places that you're visiting, whether it has a lot of pollution or there's a lot of sunlight, all of that really makes a difference on your skin. So don't blindly follow anybody. This skincare that I'm going to be sharing is something that has worked wonders for me. But depending on your skin type and weather, you should choose what works for you. Now, you don't have to end up going to a dermatologist just to understand your skin type and all that, unless you have serious problems with your skin. It is very easy. Understand your skin type, try different products, and as soon as something is suiting you really well, continue with it. So I guess we'll start with what I do at nights, and I really hope you enjoy this.
I start my night care regime with oil massage on my face. On the days I have put heavy makeup, I just dab tad bit more than regular amount of oil and massage really well all over my face. After which I wipe off the makeup with cotton. This helps in removing all kind of eye makeup and lipsticks as well. Then I use a face wash and use the cleansing brush so all the dust particles and makeup gets removed completely. The one that I use comes with two different brush heads and also has 2-speed setting. Using this ensures a quick face massage too. So the lower speed I use for morning for basic massaging and the higher speed setting I use for night for deep cleaning and removing all my makeup completely. Next I use the micellar cleansing water to remove any little makeup or dirt or excess oil that might be on my face. Next I use the toning mist. I spray the mist all across or dab it on the cotton. The day and night skincare I follow is largely influenced by Korean skincare regime. They use toners 7 times to make sure that every last element of dirt and makeup is removed and skin tightens completely, leaving the face almost without pores. Next is Emollient. I use this for hydrating my skin. I have spoken about all kinds that are available in the market in my daycare regime. I will put up a link below of the video for you to watch it. Next in my regime is the eye serum which I apply under eye and on top of the eyelids and massage well. I also don't apply any other product on this area after the eye serum. Next I am applying retinol. Retinol increases production of collagen which reduces fine lines and wrinkles. I apply maximum 3 times a week because the one I am using has 2.5% and my night moisturizers already have slight retinol in it for sure. For understanding how much to start with, you can watch my other video, Is Only Moisturizing Enough? I will attach the link below. You can start using retinol approximately when you are hitting 30. Also, the approximate age I am giving can vary from person to person, so best is to watch your skin closely. It tells you exactly what is needed when. Next I am using the Forest Essential Oil. It's very important to massage your face in circular motion and push your skin upwards while applying the products. Next is Neutrogena Night Cream. Also make sure you are applying products with fingertips, otherwise less products get absorbed on the face and more goes onto your palm. Next, I apply castor oil on my eyebrows. As I have very thin brows, I also massage it well with castor oil, as it is known for hair growth because it has omega-6, which helps in hair growth. You can also use this on your scalp if you are facing hair fall issues. Next, I am applying lip balm. Now after applying the lip balm also, if my lip feel extremely chapped or dry, I use my Dadi's tip, which is applying ghee on my navel right before sleeping, and it does wonders.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this. So this is pretty much the routine that I follow. Yeah, there's one more thing I want you all to understand, that the oil, that instead of the days that you don't want to use oil, you can also use the vitamin E capsules. You can plainly drop it all around and massage it well, or you can also put it in the last moisturizer that you're using for your skin and just mix it up and apply. Now in my next segment, I'll be coming up with the skincare routine that I follow on a weekly basis, because there are a lot of things that you don't do on a daily basis but maybe over the weekend. So if you want me to make that, please put it in the comment box, and also please let me know in this comment box whether this was helpful for you or no. And until I see you again, keep glowing.